If you've been following our channel for a while, you'll know that we're busy building a passive solar greenhouse with geothermal system in Mongolia. But we haven't been able to show you an example of what a geothermal system looks like when it's complete. While we're here in the UK, we have some friends, Rob and his wife, and they have invited us to come have a look at their geothermal setup. We get to show you what it looks like, so you get a good idea of what type of job we need to do when we get back to Mongolia.
Yes.
So guys, we're bringing you along on this journey. We want to thank our sponsors for this video, which is Wren, but we'll tell you more about that later on. So, let's go. So we have finally made it north of Southampton to this, just outside Winchester, to friends of ours. They have the greenhouse with geothermal set up. We've really wanted to show you this ever since we have arrived in the UK. The weather has not been nice. It's been a nice day today. He's invited us out. We're going to get to show you the setup of a geothermal. It's not the Chinese style passive solar greenhouse, but it has the geothermal set up. It has all the regulators. He's been helping us a lot with our project in Mongolia and helping us design a perfect greenhouse. So when we get back there, we can finish off this job. So really, really exciting.
Yeah. We're waiting this moment long time.
Yeah, I've been waiting to meet him for such a long time. So, let's go and have a look at the greenhouse and show you guys.
Really exciting.
So we're here with Rob. Thanks, Rob, for having us. It's really nice to meet him. We've been talking a lot over the last year with the Mongolian project, and finally get to see his greenhouse and his geothermal setup. He's going to just explain to it a little bit so we get to see how it's all set up and how it operates.
Okay.
Thanks, Rob.
You're welcome. So mine is slightly different to Ash's in that mine is designed for more tropical climates. It's not deep winter like yours is.
In Mongolia, where it's really, really cold.
So yours is more underground, and it's going to have more of a facing. Mine is sort of more general, because I wanted to grow more subtropical stuff. But the principles are the same. So I have a whole bunch of temperature controllers that control all the different vents, the ceiling vents, the side vents, etc. These act through relays to make the vents open and close when I hit various set points. I've also got some watering systems on little valves and timers. So in the summer I don't have to come every day and water everything.
Exactly.
In the winter you don't really need to. But it just allows me to grow things that you can't normally grow in this climate. So for example here, I've got grapevines, and hopefully next year these will be up and all across the ceiling. I've got bananas growing across the other side over there. They're taking off, and they've grown all through the winter, whereas they normally just stop. You couldn't grow them outside. I've got kaffir limes and lemons on the other side there, and oranges. But it's the first year. We've only had the greenhouse with soil in it for 4 months. Through the winter.
So you've pretty much got the same system as we set up, with 2 fans running.
Yes.
So you can see the fans over there. So during the day, that is going to take the hot air and it's going to pump it into the ground. And at
Yep.
night, it's going to take the hot air from the ground and bring it back into the greenhouse.
Yeah, and you have vents on the opposite sides there.
Yeah,
So you're always pumping into the ground.
exactly.
So this is the temperature monitoring since yesterday. So the green line is the outside temperature. So you can see down here it's gotten down to 1 degree at night.
Wow.
The blue line is the inside of the greenhouse. So you can see here where the fans have kicked in, and it's kept the temperature 6 degrees, 5 to 6 degrees throughout. Then the fans have kicked off again here. The purple line, when it's flat, means the fans are on.
Yeah.
And then the blue line shows it climbing through the day and the temperature outside. So up here we're averaging roughly 22, 23 degrees in the temperature during the day today, whereas the outside temperature is not really getting much beyond 12.
Yeah.
So we're gaining quite a lot of heat there. But since the greenhouse has only been running through the winter, the horizontal lines are the underground temperatures. So after a year of running, I would expect these to be further up because we'll have stored more heat in the ground.
Yeah.
Then we'll have, when we use to extract the heat, they'll only slowly go down through the season.
Very cool. Good information. And a lot of people that, when they've seen us building, they don't quite understand that there's more to that as well. You
Yeah.
need to have the controller systems so you can control the temperatures.
Yeah, and you
When
need
to start, when
to
to
live
turn
with
off.
it for a while as well.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of times I'll adjust the set points. So I've got 3 different sets of vents that open: 2 south side and 2
Yeah.
north side, plus a ceiling vent.
Okay.
Okay, so they open in different sequences.
Yeah.
So, and you've got the fan. So if it's overheating, first you start opening a few vents, then a few more.
Yeah.
And then you put the fans on to put the surplus heat into the ground, and then if that's not keeping up with it, then you open the roof.
Perfect.
But in the winter, you do it slightly differently because you're trying to heat the greenhouse, so it normally it stays closed, and when it gets cold in here, it's still
Yeah.
pumping the air through to recover that heat. So it's quite a simple system, and once you've got that pipe work, as we saw in your earlier videos,
Yeah.
it runs on 130 watts,
Wow.
which is like a big light bulb.
Exactly. Exactly.
And you couldn't heat this greenhouse with 130 watts. That's the point.
Yeah, that's definitely the point. I mean, a lot of the greenhouses in Mongolia in the winter, and then they have lots of heaters,
they'll have
and
furnaces.
and furnaces. So it's going to be a very exciting new way of doing it in Mongolia.
Yes.
Cool, guys. So great. I'm going to spend some time with him, pick his brain, learn absolutely everything I can to do, so that when we get this thing set up in Mongolia, we're going to do it, and we can take you guys along.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Cool. Climate change is a huge problem, and with global warming happening, we want to do absolutely everything that we can to make a difference. That's why for this video we have partnered up with Wren.
Wren is a website that makes it easy to calculate and offset your carbon footprint. By answering a few questions about your lifestyle, you can find out your carbon footprint and how to reduce it. No one can reduce their carbon footprint to zero, so you can offset what you have left after reducing.
Once you sign up for a monthly contribution to offset your carbon footprint, you will receive a monthly update for the projects that you support.
The project we like the most is Clean Cooking Fuel for Refugees.
The project provides clean burning fuel for cooking stoves for all the refugees in Uganda and prevents thousands of acres of deforestation every single year. It will take a lot to end the climate crisis, but you can start today by learning more on Wren website and start to offset your carbon footprint. That's why we have partnered up with Wren. So the first 100 people to sign up with the link in the description, they will plant 10 extra trees in your name. Let's really start to make a difference.
So let's back to the greenhouse.
Yep.
This is NPK fertilizer, so it's about, I think it was about 18 pounds for 25 kilos.
Wow.
And this is soluble, so it will dissolve.
Okay.
So when you're mixing up compost, you use perlite, which is inert is made from blown glass. It feels like polystyrene almost.
Oh wow, yeah.
Okay,
Very
so
soft.
when you look at a plant that comes from a plant nursery, it's part compost, part dissolvable nutrients. So if you look over there, you can see all the white bits in where I've under my plants, where I've mixed it all in. So this just gets mixed into the compost.
Then I guess it makes it a little bit more.
Well, you've got nutrients in there.
And softer because it's softer, so it's not so heavy.
And it holds the moisture. So whereas I've got topsoil underneath, look, it's quite dry, but this is holding the moisture. Yeah, so I have too much topsoil. Wow. So slowly I'm putting more compost into it. As I dig things up, it's getting dug in. And the other thing I'm doing at the moment is...
This is what Zula's dad really wants.
Lemons.
Lemons.
You'll be able to grow lemons, no problem. You know, a normal lemon tree should grow to 4 or 5 metres.
Yeah.
These will probably only grow to 2 metres. But that's big enough for my greenhouse.
Yeah.
That's a grapefruit.
Yeah.
Then that's a small lime tree. Yeah, so there's not a lot in here really at the moment. I'm waiting for my seeds to kick off. Oh, agapanthus, so they're flowers. Papayas.
Papaya, wow.
I'm trying to have a go. This is lettuce. This is sweet basil. Yeah. Trying to get all sorts of things growing. Probably a bit earlier. I've got ginger. I've got ginger in pots.
Wow.
I'm trying to grow. So I bought some from the supermarket.
Yeah.
Plant the ginger, and I've got some in the ground over there. I'm hoping they're going to take off. I'll just keep experimenting and seeing what I can get growing. I've got tomato seeds in here as well. Mm. You just got to keep trying, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
When you start a greenhouse in November, nothing much is really growing.
Probably our problem as well.
It's quite a short season as well.
Yeah, exactly.
So basically, a lot of the stuff, like all the linear actuators, they all run on 12 volts, right?
Yeah.
And I showed you how to do this, and if you get stuck, you can always send me a drawing and say, what am I doing wrong? But you can also buy a fuse box, a car 12 volt fuse box. Mm-hmm. So this is like an auxiliary fuse box. I think it's like £10. Okay. And so it's got fuses in. So each one of my circuits is now fused. So, you know, if the window got stuck, it wouldn't fry everything. It would just pop the fuse. And it uses the same fuses as cars. And all this stuff that I've used here is called Unistrut. This is a really common building material for every time you see like an air conditioning mounted outside a factory, it's mounted on this. And it uses a bolt system. So there's a little thing in here that's threaded, and I just bent these in a vise, adjust them to where I needed them, and job done. Yeah. You just have a bunch of these on the top wall. Okay.
You want to go see some chickens? Come and go look at some chickens.
Chicken!
You think we can have green grass like this in Mongolia?
Oh, one day. My dream, actually.
We totally destroyed our grass with digging the greenhouse.
You could have a run this big and 4 chickens, a quarter of the size of that. Imagine this is the side of your greenhouse, okay, and the chickens are in here somewhere, and their door is in the middle, okay? If you make a pen this side and they come in the corner, and you leave that there for 2 seasons, then flip the fence over this way and move that one there, so they use this side. In this area here, you grow something in the summer. Because it's been fertilised for the two off years. So what you do is you flip like this with the fences, so that you let them fertilise a whole area for a couple of years. So basically all you've got is some straw, and when it gets too full of shit, we just shovel it into the wheelbarrow and I spread it out under the trees. And as long as they've got some straw in any sort of box, they'll lay their eggs in the straw box. They just don't lay them randomly.
No.
So you could have something literally a quarter of the size, like this.
Yeah, just inside.
Just slightly off the ground, give them somewhere underneath to sort of lurk. They like to dust off. and a bit inside for them to roam around. They don't need much space in the winter, but then have a hole out the wall. No, nothing for you there. Hole out the wall, say that's the wall of your greenhouse, have a hole out. And that oak tree there, there's nothing at all.
You planted all this?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
We transplanted some old trees, and most of the trees along there are what's called edible hedge, which means it's a hedging mix of plants that have fruits and things on that animals like, fruits and nuts. So there's hazelnuts, cob nuts, apples, berries, and we're starting to get wildlife in the garden.
Wow! What did you do? You're having fun? Wow! You're loving it?
10-year plan. Because these grow fast, so they'll grow massive, but the roots, once they go, they'll start hopefully inoculating and the fungus for black truffles.
That would be nice, huh?
That would be nice. It cost me nothing.
No.
I want to cover the whole lot because the soil becomes much more fertile.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, if you've got a monoculture like the grass, there's nothing there, but this will retain the moisture.
Yeah, exactly. Look at that.
And you know, the ground is now soft and rich. It makes a huge difference. And this has only been here about 6 months.
It's okay.
Your hand. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Oops, oops.
Really pretty solar panels.
Yeah.
So I was saying to Ashley that I got these free. They were going to be put onto a big shopping arcade, but they got cracks in them. But because they're made of 2 layers of glass, the cracks don't matter. And you can see they used to go on a bracket and they used to wave them like vents.
Yep.
So as with anything, if you get something free, use it. This lights both my houses.
Nice, pretty. And works.
Hope you guys enjoyed seeing this greenhouse.
To see actual greenhouse which has got fitted in a geothermal system, so you get a little bit of an idea of what we need to do when we get back to Mongolia. Of course, our greenhouse shape is going to be a lot different because of the climate, so it's going to be a lot of work, and hopefully this knowledge we can bring to Mongolia and we can make a real difference and start growing things in Mongolia that are not usually grown there, and reduce our carbon footprint in the world, which is what we want to do. So that's why we want to thank Ren for sponsoring this video. It's really exciting to work with them, and guys, we look forward to seeing you really soon.
Yes. So thank you guys.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.